So we came up here to Tennessee to visit my friend. About a week before we were coming up here, his whole house burned down. But luckily, he had a detached garage, and he's an excellent builder, and he was like, oh, let's just make our garage our new house. Everything was gone. The day after, he was at the hardware store buying all the lumber, buying all the stuff, ready to build this garage. This is Nathan and Amy. Tell us what we're standing on right here.
All right, so we are standing where our house once stood. Long story short, Amy and I started dating when we was about 15 and a half. And so we had big dreams of living in the playhouse, which sat here. So I do a little construction here and there. We've added on multiple times. So we had a nice home here. On December 21st of 2018, went up in flames, burnt to the ground while we were out hiking and whatnot. So this is all that's left, which is nothing. We had a little basketball court area here, and then luckily we had a 3-car detached garage, which was just right over the way there. So we're about just over 2 months since the fire, and we've already decided to move our house to where the garage once was. So all the stuff came out, garage doors came out, windows and whatnot went in.
How long did you guys wait until you decided you were gonna make that your house instead of rebuilding over here?
Well, it took me a little longer. Nathan was about the next day or two. He come up with this bright idea of moving us to the garage, and of course I wasn't ready to make my life plans in the garage. So it took me probably about a week, and with lots of thought and prayer, I decided that I would go with his idea, and just said, I've lived in the playhouse for this long, so why not move to the garage? So that's what we've done.
So these little fellows right here are the boys. What kind of dogs are they?
Beagles.
Beagle dogs. And they had a heat lamp on the front porch during all the super cold weather, and that heat lamp is what caught fire, burnt the porch down, burnt the house down.
All right, well, let's go check it out, see what upgrades you've done.
Well, this here is my kitchen. Finally got me some granite, got me an island. It's probably my favorite part of the house.
Last time I was here, I got a video from this exact spot in the corner of the garage, and I turned around and said, this is what it looks like now. He's an excellent builder, and he was like, oh, let's just make our garage our new house. So a week later, it's a house, it's not a garage anymore. Pretty awesome. Amy's gonna tell us a little more about her grand ideas and whatnot.
Well, of course we had one starting idea, and it evolved and things turned around with help of family and friends and stuff.
So what are some things in the kitchen that you really like?
My farmhouse sink. I'm totally in love with it.
Well, give us a demonstration of that.
It's just amazing. What can I say? Got my awesomeness here.
Beautiful.
This will be 2 pantries with not sure what right here, a bench, a desk, farmhouse, barn doors.
Hanging barn doors.
Hanging barn doors, pantries. We hope to eventually have a fireplace where the TV is, and the TV will go above the fireplace. This will hopefully fit a small little farmhouse table if Nathan will ever build me one.
Been a little busy.
Sit down.
It's been 2 months.
So basically, if any of you guys have ever seen kind of the fixer-upper house hunter shows, he's the fixer-upper, she's the artistic director. She points, he builds.
That's right.
guest bathroom slash our daughter, 16-year-old daughter's bathroom. It's definitely not finished, but this will be pretty cute.
Is there something special about that toilet?
It's amazing. It's a no touch.
Wow.
So our daughter turned 16 a couple weeks ago, and our main goal was to get her bedroom done for her birthday.
All of her friends said, "Hey Kaylee, are you getting a car for your birthday?" And she said, "No, I'm getting a house."
So this was her birthday present, and we're really thrilled with it. Eventually, maybe we'll get as awesome as Kaylee and have our room finished, but this is our in progress master bedroom suite.
This is part of the addition. This was the end of the garage, so we added on this portion. So one of the upgrades we have here that we didn't have in our other house is 9.5-foot ceilings. We had about 7.5 downstairs in our original house, so that's one great upgrade that you just can't do. You just can't lift your house up. I haven't done that.
So another favorite thing that I've wanted is a soaking tub, so that's what I got. Love it.
Have you used it yet?
No.
Come get in with me. Run some water. No, don't run water. Don't run water. No!
So here's my vanity, and on Pinterest, of course, which is where most ideas come from these days. Right here we have, I guess, what you would call like little medicine cabinets. Barn doors. So one rail, and they'll kind of slide into each other, and that'll be mirrors. So the mirrors will slide to open up a little bit of storage for us.
Well, let's just say a place for the toilet that is its own little room is, I think, a super upgrade. Of course, we have the non-touch flushing mechanism. We're really excited about that. And then this is what I call the three-headed dragon. This is going to be a big shower. We have, of course, the normal shower head, the rain head, and then the shower head back here. And so this is just going to be a really big shower. Maybe even have a car jack in here if we need that, but excited to get the shower working one of these days. She was talking to the insurance lady and to get insurance on this house, and she says, "Well, do you have a walk-in closet?" And your response was?
Oh, do I ever? I really, really love my closet. I can reach things. There was in my other closet, I couldn't reach his level, so things are a little bit lower for me. And storage space galore in here. Love it.
So we have her side and my side.
We're still trying to work his side out a little bit.
Yeah. Big enough that we can we can floss. I can't believe you just did that. Down the hall, out the door, you have your washer and dryer and little mud room. I guess one other upgrade since we had the tall ceilings was we decided to go with tall doors. So that's 8-foot tall doors, which we really love. Nice big griddle hooked into our propane tank for the house, so we'll hopefully never run out of gas in the middle of dinner. That happens with the little tank, so we're excited about that. These originated as the Hinckley experience, later became the podunk. It's taken on a little bit different flavor today, but mighty tasty.
Even got the hot tub.
We've always wanted one and just never had the space and never had the chance to put one in, so here it is.
Living the life, old buddy.
So we have 4 kids, 3 boys and 1 girl. The upstairs, all for the boys. So let's go up there, but first we have to abide by the sign, no shoes, food, or pets on the dang carpet. Boys' bedroom. It's massively big, super comfortable, super thick carpet.
So this is where I got to sleep, and I got to snuggle with Snuggle Bear here. Pretty comfy.
Lots of shiplap here, which is great for somebody that doesn't like to finish in sand and mud drywall. So you can see all of the ceilings and actually the whole house are shiplap, which is also kind of a hot thing right now for thanks to HGTV and Pinterest. So we have the 3 beds. We have the Monty Hall effect of the 3 doors. You'll have to look that up.
Link to Monty Hall below.
Each of our boys has their own closet, and not only their own closet, but we put them some nice motion lights. This is the homework area. Looks like they've turned it into the gaming area. This is the TV area, and of course multiple love sacks. One thing you can do with love sacks is just get you somebody and just give them an old toss. That's what you can do with a love sack.
Oh, next is the boys' bathroom. It's a bathroom, and it's big for 3 boys to get around. So.
How
It's
many
the
shower
size.
heads does a shower have?
Just one.
And there's one secret door here. I was saying he should put like a bookcase here. You know, those bookcase hidden hinge doors. That would be awesome.
Great idea.
So this is gonna be his secret lair.
Haven't made a ton of progress out here, but this is gonna be the my office. Will be a door through there that will actually go into the top part of our garage. And so we just have a storage area for now, our hot water heater, bunch of other junk, and ready for, I guess, for flooring and maybe some more shiplap. She loves shiplap.
Can I say?
We once upon a time had what we called a theater room. Let's see, about right here we had a wall and had an office back here, and then some. We had a projector, and so this was our place to watch movies, and we gave it a makeover.